Hello everybody, are your snacks healthy? Today I'm going to go over 6 snacks that I eat that can actually help you stay on track, lose weight or maintain your weight, taste great, and they're actually good for you. Snack number 1, plain Greek yogurt and berries. This works well because plain Greek yogurt has a lot of protein in it. The berries make it sweet. The berries also have fiber, they have antioxidants. This is a wonderful snack. I eat this every day, generally for lunch. And I can tell you that this one actually keeps me full for a pretty long period of time. Be careful though, don't buy yogurt with added sugar. I recommend you use plain Greek yogurt. If you add enough berries to it, it's going to be sweet enough. You don't need the added sugar that you get from flavored yogurts. Number 2 is apple slices and peanut butter. These two things go together very well. Apples have a lot of fiber in it. There's a reason they say an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Apples are full of good quality vitamins and minerals. And the peanut butter is also good. It has plant-based fiber, protein, and healthy fats. So apples and peanut butter are another good choice. Be careful with your peanut butter because you want to buy peanut butter that only contains peanuts and salt, no sugar. Number 3 is make your own kale chips. Really, you can do this. It's really pretty simple. Buy some kale at the store. Mix it with a little bit of olive oil and some salt. You don't need much. Spread it out on a baking sheet. Bake it at 300 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. This is one of the healthiest snacks you can eat. Kale is one of the superfoods. It is wonderful. Give it a try, guys. Healthy snack number 4, protein smoothies. I make these a lot too, and I like to use plain Greek yogurt, different kinds of fruit, and a little bit of ice. You can also use protein powders when you make smoothies, fruit juices, whatever you want. I'm not going to go through a lot of smoothie recipes on this video because there's so many you can find. I may do a video about antioxidant drinks at some point, but if you want a good quality smoothie, just go to Google and type in protein smoothies, healthy protein smoothies, and you'll get tons of hits, I promise. Healthy snack number 5, and one of my favorites, is Kalamata olives and feta cheese. Kalamata olives are a great snack. They are a staple in the Mediterranean diet. They're a very good source of healthy fats, and they also contain antioxidants. Feta cheese just goes very well with them. So if you like the taste of Kalamata olives, this is a great snack to try. And number 6, something that I've just discovered, are oven roasted chickpeas that you can make yourself. Simply get a can of chickpeas, rinse them off, put them on a baking sheet, bake them at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. Be sure you shake the pan in between. So you want them to get good and dry. Then take them out and you're going to mix them in a bowl with the following ingredients. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So mix them together good, put them back on the baking sheet, and bake them at the same temperature for another 10 to 15 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. I store them in the refrigerator in a plastic bag, and I just eat them as snacks throughout the day when I'm hungry. Chickpeas are very healthy for you too, and this gives you a little extra flavor to them. Now these are just 6 examples of healthy snacks. Of course there's hundreds more. There's hummus. I didn't talk about celery with cream cheese. You can also, put peanut butter on celery. There's hundreds of snacks. These are just 6 examples. And if you like protein bars, I can give you my top 3, and I can tell you that protein bars aren't all created equal. You got to be careful. A lot of them are full of sugars, sugar alcohols, different ingredients. What you really want is something that only has a few ingredients and is super healthy. The healthiest ones that I found are Larabar. Larabars are, some of them are actually Whole Foods diet compatible. I mean, there's some of them that only have 2 or 3 ingredients. They're all natural. They don't taste as good as some of the other ones, but if you're looking for something that's super healthy, that's going to be my top choice. I like the Kind bars too. Kind bars they taste pretty good. Some of them have a lot of sugar in them, but they also have nuts, so they'll keep you full for a while. And the one that I really like, that tastes the best to me, is the Quest Double Chocolate Chunk Protein Bar. I really like the taste of this one, guys. It has less calories in it. It has 170 calories, but it's got 20 grams of protein. And this thing just tastes great. The thing I don't like about it is it does have sugar alcohols in it. And it also contains stevia, but if you're going to have an artificial sweetener, I think stevia is the best because it comes from natural stevia leaves. So just remember, guys, when you are dieting or even snacking in general, pay attention to what you're eating. It's important to stick with healthy snacks. A lot of us snack on things that aren't so healthy for us, right? Cookies, donuts, ice cream, things that are full of sugar, full of calories, and most of those calories are empty. Now, I'm not saying never enjoy a donut. I'm not saying that. Just don't make a habit of it and don't do it every day. Try to keep your food as healthy as possible. If you deprive yourself from things that you like the taste of the most, you're not going to be able to stick with a diet very long. But if you get in the habit of eating healthy foods and healthy snacks, you're going to feel a lot better, I promise. You'll have more energy. Your body will just feel better. So I'm going to recommend that you do that. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more happy, healthy information and mindset. Please be happy and healthy. I'll see you tomorrow.